Hello friends! This time I'll be sharing a tutorial on how to create photos and videos of your own action figure version. Usually, people only upload their photos or artworks like this. Well, to stand out from the rest, I'll show you how to turn them into a video like this. First, click the link in the description. After that, you'll see a page like this. This is the template available on the Hailuo AI platform. Click the Use Template button, then upload your photo or the image you want to turn into a mini action figure. It's recommended to use a full body photo for the best results. For example, I'll use this photo. Once the upload process is complete, we can simply click here. Each time we run this template, it will cost 29 credits. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. The template will automatically run with the preset prompt. A short while later, the photo is done, friends. We can download it right away by clicking the download button here. And here's the result. What's interesting is that the system will also automatically turn the generated photo into a video. We just need to wait for the process to finish. And here's the video result. Unfortunately, since the photo I uploaded was a bit ambiguous, specifically, the woman's left leg wasn't visible. The final video turned out a bit odd, like this. But don't worry, I'll show you some tricks and tips to make the result look much better. Now, let's go back to the main page on Hailuo AI, then on the left side, click the video menu. Next, upload the original unedited photo for the first frame. Then click End Frame and upload the edited photo, the one we downloaded earlier. Here, I'll create a zoom out effect from the original photo to the action figure version. If you're confused about how to use the prompt, we can simply use the translated version. For example, if I want to make a zoom out effect from the photo frame, just copy the prompt and paste it into the available box. Make sure the Enable Prompt feature is turned on. This feature adjusts the prompt to match the image for a better result. Next, set your desired resolution. For 768p, the video can be up to 10 seconds, while for 1080p, the maximum duration is 6 seconds. Once done, click Generate. This process costs 80 credits. After that, just wait for it to finish. A few moments later, the result is ready. And look, it's much cooler than just having a photo. Since the duration feels a bit too short, I'll edit it using a video editing software. You can use CapCut or any other app, but here I'm using Adobe Premiere. We'll adjust the duration, then add the edited photo to extend the video. Don't forget to add some background music to make it more engaging. And here's the final result. That's how you turn your action figure photo into a video. Hope this tutorial helps. That's all for now. Thank you, and wassalam.